In this video, I will show you how to add Google Shortcut on your desktop home screen. To get started, open up any internet browser, and what you want to do is head over to google.com. Now once you've done that, you first of all want to make this a bit smaller. So if you come up to the top right hand corner of Google and click onto the two squares here to minimize this into window mode. Now what you want to do is actually come and click into the address bar, so here, so it highlights the address. And once you've done that and it's highlighted, if you click and hold down your left mouse button, you can then drag this straight from here onto your desktop. What that's going to do is create a desktop shortcut. So you'll now see if I close down this Google search window and double click onto the newly created shortcut, it's going to open up a new window with the google.com. It's going to take you straight there. So that is how to add Google Shortcut to your desktop home screen. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.